we meet, and welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. This is Paula. It's time. It's just afternoon on Saturday, August the 15th, and I am choosing the winner for my 5K giveaway for the Book of Shadows that has the blessing in it that I wrote and decorated the page with a cauldron on it. So I have already, what I did, instead of using the YouTube random comment picker, because there was a little bit of confusion with folks where to enter, I took the names from the comment section of the prize reveal video and the actual giveaway announcement, and I combined them both to make sure that I did not miss anybody. So what I did is I loaded all of the comments into a spreadsheet, and then I copied all of the names over here. There were 49 unique names or entries. I'm going to be picking one winner. So here we go. Let's see who wins. Brandi Kellem. Brandi Kellem. Please contact me on Twitter, and here is my Twitter handle, or by email, and here is the email, and give me your name and your address so I can send the Book of Shadows to you. You have until noon on August the 22nd to claim your prize. At 12:01, I will pick another winner. Okay, so please contact me as soon as possible. Again, thank you all so much for your support, for your encouraging words. You guys keep me going. You have no idea how much it means to me. And I can't thank you enough. You guys are absolutely wonderful. I love our little cauldron coven over here. So with that, my friends, again, thank you. Merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody.